must be Lisa. Come on in, Lisa!
Nick, where are you? I can't even see you with all of these things in the living room.
I'm over here, Lisa. I'll move these books and you can sit down on the couch.
Oh, Nick, you should really clean up this room.
Good idea, Lisa. Now, where did I put the broom? That's not it. What's this doing here? I've been looking for this, but it's not a broom.
Nick Gregory, you have to tidy up the living room.
I guess it could be a little neater, but it's so messy now that I don't know where to begin.
Let's start by taking these dirty dishes and cups to the kitchen. You should really clean up after yourself.
Lisa, don't go to the kitchen. I just made a pizza and I haven't cleaned up there either.
It can't be that bad.
Ah! Are you okay, Lisa? I think I'm in big trouble.